Hi guys, this is Tasmiya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing on how I made this very simple kurta using an existing kurta itself. It features a little bell sleeves and puff on the shoulder line. So if you're interested to know, just keep on watching. So I took an existing kurta from my wardrobe that fitted me well and traced the front, back and the sleeve pattern by keeping 1 centimeter each. Now the front and the back pattern are used as it is. They're cut on fold. Now the styling I'm making is for the sleeve, where I'm making a puff on the shoulder line and flare on the hemline. So by using slash and spread method, I've slashed from the shoulder seam till the hemline, almost till the hemline, not completely, to make pleats on two sides of the sleeve, about 1 centimeter each, and I will be extending the hemline to about 2 centimeter each on either side to make a little flare on the hemline. So first I will be stitching the pleats that will make the puff of the sleeve, and then attaching the sleeve to the front and back panel after the front and back shoulder seam is attached to each other. So here's how I have cut the lining and the main fabric using the existing pattern by keeping 1 centimeter each. Now keeping the right sides of the front panel and the lining together, I am stitching the neckline. Make a few slashes on the neckline on the ease, so that when we turn on the right side, there won't be any gatherings on the right side of the neckline. Turn the fabric to the right side, facing the right side of the fabric, and stitch on the neckline on 1 mm. So similar way I have stitched the neckline for the both front and the back panel. The next step here I am following is attaching the shoulder seam. So placing the right sides of the front and the back panels together, stitch the front, stitch the shoulder seam. So once the shoulder seam is attached and the sleeve pleating is done, attach the sleeve to the shoulder seam. So here I have attached the sleeve to the front and the back panel on the shoulder line. The next step is to make the hem line of the sleeve and of the dress. Once the hemlines are stitched, then attach the side seam so that the dress is complete. If you find the video helpful or have any comments, do comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So this is how I styled the kurta with cigarette pants and dupatta. Do let me know by commenting down below how you would style it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.